Alienware AW3423DWF monitor best settings. Hey guys, in this video, we will see Alienware AW3423DWF monitor best settings. First, set the resolution to 2560 by 1440, which is ultra-wide QHD. Then, adjust the refresh rate to 165Hz in the display settings. Enable FreeSync Premium Pro for smoother gameplay. Then, set the response time to fastest in the OSD menu. Calibrate brightness to 80 to 100 and contrast to 70 to 80. Now choose the Game Mode preset for optimized visuals. Adjust the HDR settings for vibrant and accurate colors. Enable Dark Stabilizer for better visibility in dark scenes. Next, save the settings and test in your preferred games. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.